Ever wish you could get actually paid for spending time on your phone? Let me put you on something interesting. It's called WriteAppReviews. So here's the deal. This site pays you to try out mobile apps and write honest reviews. Yup, that's literally it. You sign up, pick an app from their database, could be anything from a game to a budgeting tool, download it, test it out, and then write what you think, and boom, you get paid. Now, there is a small upfront fee to join, kinda like a membership. But once you're in, you get full access to their list of apps to review. Think of it like unlocking a dashboard of paid opportunities. You don't need to be some tech expert either. Just use the app like a regular user. Note down your experience, what worked, what didn't, and write a simple review. Nothing fancy. Then you submit it through their site and get paid through PayPal or something similar. If you're already spending time scrolling and trying out new apps, this could be a cool little side hustle. If you're curious, check out the link below to visit the official site and see for yourself. Happy reviewing!